In today's video, I'm going to help you make your life a little bit easier by walking you step by step on how to create your first Amazon listing. Now, the steps I'm going to be going over today are as if you're using the arbitrage model. If you are doing private label, that'll be a separate video. Now, if you haven't created an Amazon seller account, I will link a video so you can go ahead and watch that after this one. Now, you're going to go into your Amazon account. You're going to go to the top right where the 3 lines are, hit catalog, then add products. Then it'll take you to this screen right here and you can type in the product name or UPC. So we're just gonna do our typical Nike socks and it'll come up with these. So let's say we wanna sell these, which is a perfect rank. You're gonna go here, new, you're gonna hit sell this product. From there, it'll take you to this next screen and I like to just do required. So the first thing I suggest that you do is decide if you're going to be doing this FBM or FBA. I'm going to show you the FBM route first, which is simpler. So you're going to do, I will ship item myself. You're going to add how many you have. So for this example, I'm going to put 1. You're going to select your price. You have to do your research on how much you want to sell this for. Then you're going to be offering this as new. And here you're going to select your shipping. So if you want to do this $25 free shipping, you can go ahead and do that. Or if you want to do $25 with $3 shipping, that's another way you can do. Just pick whichever shipping you have. I have all these models. I'm just going to do free shipping. You go down and save and finish. And within about 5 minutes or you refresh, it'll be up and available to sell. Now we're gonna switch it to the FBA model. This one has a few more steps, but it's pretty simple as well. Okay, so we're gonna change this to Amazon will ship. So here, you're gonna put your price. Again, this is gonna stay at new, and you're gonna go all the way down, save and finish. Now from here, it's gonna take you to this screen. Here's the image, the product name, fulfilled by Amazon. If you have all your products at hand and you have them all packed up and ready to ship off to Amazon, this is what you're gonna select. List as FBA and send to Amazon. So here it's gonna say ship from. You will have to put your address or wherever it's coming from. So you can hit ship from address and you can add a new one. From there, you're gonna select your marketplace. I'm in the United States. Then here you're going to select your packing details. So this is individual units, but we're gonna select create a new packing template. And from here, we're just gonna name it, I'll do test on this one. It's a case pack, so basically a box. Units per box. The units per box is how many units or products that you're gonna put in that box. 40 units, okay? Then you're gonna go into box dimensions. Now for me, I like to use Walmart boxes because they actually have on the bottom the length, width, and height of the box. So you're not here guessing or using a tape measure or anything like that. I mean, you can do that, but this way is easier. It just tells you exactly what it is. So all you have to do is just plug in the numbers here. Now the next section is box weight. So here, honestly, if you don't have like a scale at home that is accurate, I've honestly gone to Publix and just put my boxes on the scale to get the most accurate, because if you're not accurate, it will cause issues with your shipment to Amazon. So you gotta do what you gotta do. I went to Publix. That's my suggestion. It was 20 pounds. Now, who preps the unit? You're gonna put by seller, and who labels? You're gonna put by seller. So the labels are the FNSKU, and that's a barcode that tells Amazon that this is your product. I do have a video explaining the difference between a UPC and an FNSKU, so you can go ahead and watch that video next. Units, so we said that there was 40 units in there, so ready to pack. And pack individual units, but before you do that, you want to print the SKUs. Those are the FNSKUs I was talking about. I do 30 up labels. You can select whichever one is best for you, but this is the one that I get. I get my labels from Walmart. Then you print, pack individual units. Everything will fit in one box. If you have multiple boxes, you can select this, but I'm gonna do this. Confirm. Box dimensions, you're gonna enter that information again. Box weight. If you're getting any value from this video so far, please hit that like and subscribe button so it can reach and help other sellers like yourself. And if you need more hands-on help, I am offering one-on-ones. My information is in the description below. So next is confirm shipping. Now this is the day you're gonna send off your items to Amazon. March 11th, and it'll be right here. Okay, so here it's one shipment. It says it's starting at $10.80. I'm gonna do a small parcel because it's just one box. Here it's telling me my UPS would be $15.96. This is the information. It has where it's shipping from and where it's going to. So here it'll go to North Carolina, all the information. And here I will confirm and accept the charges, which I'm not gonna do because this is just for an example. Then here you would select where it says print box labels. So those are labels that you will put on the outside of the box because Amazon needs that. So it'll come in two. So you'll put one label on one side of the box and the other label on the other side, facing out so they can see, don't have it covering each other, because Amazon needs that to check it into their warehouse correctly. And if it's not, then it'll be a whole mess and we don't want that. We need our money. Now, once that part is done, you'll receive a tracking and it'll tell you exactly where your shipment is. So you can wait for it to be in Amazon's warehouse. Your products won't be available to sell until they reach Amazon. So once they do, you'll be ready to go. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please hit the subscribe button and the bell so you're always notified when I upload something. And as always, I will see you guys soon. Bye, my loves.